In this video, I just want to cover a bit about artificial intelligence and some of how it is actually affecting our everyday lives. Now, for those that aren't aware, artificial intelligence or machine learning is where computers pick up on patterns and algorithms, they scan data, and they can then produce meaningful results from that. Anything from learning how to speak, such as Sophia the robot, through to how Facebook picks up on what you've searched for in Google and will then show ads that are in response to the topic you've just searched for. Artificial intelligence does exist and it is prevalent today in today's society. Everything we put into Google or Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., everything's put into a database, and from that database they can pick up on who's watching what people are interested in, hobbies, pets, through to political opinions and social leanings. And through that they can manipulate certain things. For example, what you're actually seeing when you search for movies on YouTube, or what you're actually hearing on songs in Spotify. Now, that's all well and good, but when it comes to artificial intelligence, there needs to be boundaries in place, because some of the behaviour is not always what we expect it to be. I recently came across a video where somebody was talking about YouTube and how there have been videos made by artificial intelligence. Now, I was skeptical at first, but I actually had a look into it. I actually did a search myself. So, with an example, we have Elsa from Frozen. So, when Frozen came out, it was very, very popular among the kids. And nowadays, 1-year-olds can pick up an iPad and they're able to actually find videos, and they will watch those videos. The trouble is that when you search for Elsa, it doesn't immediately pick up results that are for Frozen. Instead, it picks up on videos that people have labelled with Elsa and other keywords that make it very searchable, very discoverable, yet very age inappropriate. So take this example. We've got here Elsa Frozen sick. Okay, so it's a claymation of Elsa and she's sick. And at first you got snot coming out, and okay, kids like snot, that's great. But where it becomes really bizarre is, I've got here 5 minutes into the video, there's a cake being made and it's clearly in the shape of a bottom. Then a candle is stuck into the butt cheeks in between, and now it looks like a penis. And boom, flame comes out. What is going on? This has been made by AI, not by a human. I'll let that sink in for a little bit. So what AI does, it picks up on common themes and it picks up on what people like to watch. And it's obviously picked up here that people like to watch Elsa, and people like snot jokes, and people like bum jokes, and etc. So great, we're getting a lot of cartoons or animation being made, but you really do not want your kids watching this. I couldn't watch much of it myself. I couldn't believe how bizarre it was. Not something I would want any children to watch. And you'll find others where there's physical violence done between characters. There's videos where you see the claymation and their head's being chopped off. It's pretty sick. But then, if you also go through the comments, and in particular this one I've been looking at with Elsa, some of these comments do not make any sense whatsoever. It's gibberish. And you may say, oh, that's just the kids. They've just made a comment in there by mistake. I don't think so. I think this is bots as well. I think this is AI. So not only is the AI producing these videos, they're uploading them, and there are other AI that are actually then watching them and making comments on them. Some of these comments almost feel like code. I really don't know why this is happening. However, you really need to monitor what your kids are watching. This is important because I've got a high tolerance for horror movies and sci-fi and supernatural stuff. This kind of set me ill at ease, for want of a better term. I just felt it was really disturbing to watch. Not the fact that it was AI, just this claymation. It was not right. And it almost feels like the AI is trying to manipulate children somehow. Why would the AI target children? Is it some sort of social engineering that's going on? Is it trying to break down society by targeting children? Is it trying to program children at such an early age? So parents, please, I really urge you to look at what your children are watching. I know it's all too easy for them to just sit in a corner and play on the iPad. But this could mess with their brains. This is also a wake-up call to realise that although AI has applications where it can help society, it can also help destroy it. And this is something we need to be really vigilant about. We seem to just be letting these computer scientists create something that they don't even know what it's going to do. There is no predicting what AI is going to do next. And I'll cover that in some more videos as well. But this one, I just wanted to highlight what's happening on YouTube and how AI is actually creating videos. They're creating content. And it's not good. Okay, if you like what I'm saying, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you feel the need to. And thanks for listening.